Hey guys! Today I'll show you how you can create a pro forma invoice in Sage Accounting. So let's get started. A pro forma invoice is a preliminary invoice that shows a customer the products or services you plan to provide, along with the expected costs before an actual sales invoice is issued. To create one in Sage Accounting, start by opening Sales Invoices. You can access this either through the Quick Links section by selecting Create a Sales Invoice or by going to the Sales menu and choosing Sales Invoices. Next, click New Invoice. Now enter the customer details. You can either select an existing customer from your list or create a new customer if needed. After that, choose the invoice date and due date. If your customer has provided a reference number, enter it here. Otherwise, you can leave this field blank. You can also review and update the invoice and delivery addresses if necessary. Now, add the products or services you want to include. You can select an existing item from your product list or create a new one. If you're creating a new item, choose whether it's a stock item, non-stock item, or service. Enter the price or rate for the item and adjust the ledger account if required. You can also apply a discount, add notes, include terms and conditions, and enter any delivery charges if applicable. Once you're happy with the invoice details, click Save As and select Pro Forma Invoice. Before saving, you also have the option to attach supporting documents or email the Pro Forma Invoice directly to your customer. To send it by email, make sure the customer's email address has been added to their contact details. Finally, click Save. Your pro forma invoice will now be created and appear in the Sales Invoices list with a clear pro forma status. That's how you create a pro forma invoice in Sage Accounting and send a professional quotation-style document to your customers before issuing a final invoice. That's it. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.